In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced tables in Confluence. Let's start inside Confluence. Open a page where you want to present structured data and make sure you're in the editor so you can add dynamic elements. A quick tip before we begin. It's helpful to work on a draft or sandbox page first so you can experiment freely without affecting live content. In the editor, type the left curly brace, that's the brace character. This opens the macro menu, which is where Confluence keeps powerful building blocks for richer content. You'll see a search field at the top of the macro browser. Search for Table Plus, CSV, or Attachment Table. These are the advanced table options you'll use depending on your source data. Table Plus is great for creating and formatting an advanced table directly on the page with controls for sorting, filtering, and calculations. The CSV option lets you bring in data from a comma-separated file or Excel sheet so your table can reflect information maintained elsewhere. Attachment table displays files attached to the page as a sortable list, perfect for directories or document hubs. After you pick the macro, configure its parameters in the macro browser. This is where the magic happens. For Table Plus, choose things like column visibility, default sorting, pagination, and whether to show filters. You can also decide how headers look and how wide your columns should be for readability. For CSV or Excel data, select the data source, set the delimiter if needed, confirm whether the first row is a header, and choose how to handle updates so changes to the source reflect in your page. For attachment table, pick which file types to include and which columns to display, such as file name, size, or last modified date. Use the preview to confirm the table appears as expected before you insert it. If the macro supports a body, add your content inside the macro area in the editor. This could be pasted rows, notes, or formatting helpers specific to that macro. Now put it to work. With Table Plus, enable filters to let readers narrow results by column values and add calculation rows to show totals or averages at the bottom. Use external CSV or Excel data when your source of truth lives outside Confluence, so your page stays accurate with fewer manual edits, and rely on Attachment Table to automatically surface the latest files on the page without hand curating a list. That's it. With these macros configured, your Confluence pages will present clean, interactive tables that are easy to explore, analyze, and keep up to date.